Hello guys, I wanted to show a tool I've been using for a couple of years now, a earwax cleaning tool, and it's my go-to. It's fantastic. As you see here, in the one end it has kind of a rake, and it has a rounded tip there. It's a little hard to get focus here. It has a rounded tip so it doesn't hurt your ear in any way. You can insert it into your ear and almost touch your eardrum without it mattering. The other end has a spoon. I don't really use this, but I can see it being used if a kid gets a pea stuck in its nose or in its ear or something. I'll put a link in the description for this tool. It's about a couple of dollars, and it comes in a set with several tips like this, some kind of spring thing, and several of the spoons. So you have pretty many options. Now it's simple to use. Try to show you here. You insert it in the middle of your ear canal and just lay it down to the sides and scrape out. Very simple to use, and it has no sharp edges at all, so you can really you can scrape. You feel you scrape, but you don't really hurt yourself in any way. To clean it, you just take a paper and stick your nails in the grooves and swirl it, and that will get it clean quickly. And while I'm at it, I wanted to show you another tool here also. It's also stainless steel. This is a tongue scrape, and it is also fantastic, and also a couple of dollars, and I will also put the link in the description for this. I'll just find I bought mine, both these tools I bought at AliExpress. So this you squeeze together and you get in your mouth, and you can really get the back side of your tongue, and you can scrape around. And no sharp edges on this either, but it's just enough to get off all the goo and all the thing is. Very handy. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please press the like button. Any subscription, I'll be very happy. Have a good one, guys.